Right, we're going into another of the very popular dances now, a little dance called Sindy Swing. So we commence in our open hold, gentleman left, lady right. We're going to dance a forward and point and a back point. Step, point, step, point. 2 lock steps moving down the room, gentleman on his left foot, lady on her right foot. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step. If you had a little trouble with the lock steps, just rewind to the glossary at the beginning of the tape, just to remind yourselves. Now we're moving into an open solo turn, gentleman turning to his left, lady turning to her right. We will end facing our partners in double hold. And spin, 2, 3, 4. So let's go from the beginning to there. So gentlemen on your left, ladies, you're on your right. And step, point, step, locks. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, spin. Round, 2, 3, 4. So now we're moving into a box. Gentleman forward on his left, lady back on her right. Step, side, close, step, side, close. If we just put that together in timing, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So let's go from the beginning to there. So gent left, lady right, and step, point, step, locks. 1, 2, 3, now the spin. Round, 2, 3, box. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now we're going into the checks, which we danced in the Mayfair quick step. Except this time we're going to do a hand change. So gentleman left, lady right, you're going to walk 1 and check outside of partner on the right hand side. And we're changing to handshake hold. 1, check. Now we're going back and chassis sideways into a check on the left hand side, changing to left hand hold. Back, side, close, side. And there we are, left hand to left hand, ready for our check outside on the partner's left side. Check, replace, side, close, side. Coming back to double hold. So if we put that together just from our box, we've got forward, side, close, back, side, close. 1, check, back, chassis, 1, check, back, chassis. So that's 3/4, let's go from the beginning. Gents on your left, ladies on your right, and step, point, step, locks. 1, 2, 3, now the open spin. Round, hold the hands and dance the box. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Check on the right side and chassis. Check on the left and chassis. Now we're going to dance 2 walks into our rotary chassis turn, again which is explained in the glossary for you. Gentleman left, lady right, adopting our ballroom hold. 1, chassis, round we go, and we finish the dance with a side close, lady to her right, gent to his left, side, close, which puts us back in our starting position. So let's put it all together. Here we go then, gent on the left, lady on the right, and step, point, back, point, lock steps. Here's the solo turn. Now the box, forward, then back. Here's the outside checks and the chassis. Outside check. Here we walk into our rotary turning chassis and our side close.